Came the big night, and right away I didn't like it. Kleinfeld was coked out of his mind. The flaps of his nose all red and swollen. Bad start, Jack.
What's with the extra guy?
Carlito, this is one of Tony's sons, Frankie.
No, it's Frank.
Whatever.
No, what is with the extra guy?
Oh, excuse me, is this your boat? Well, shut the up. I thought I needed help. I brought help. Okay, we're gonna take the LaGuardia side through the sound. Frankie, you take the wheel when we pick up Tony. Carlito, you help me fish him out. Cast her off.
It's Frank.
Whatever. Cast her off.
What's that?
Untie the rope, you spick. Come on.
This guy a friend of yours?
Yeah, he's a friend of mine.
He's a cockroach. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Oh, I see the buoy.
You see it? Where? Slow. I can't see a thing.
It's right there.
Did you hear what I just said to you? What are you doing?
Would you just slow down? You're gonna run him over.
I'm gonna pass him, Dad.
Hey, slow down.
Where you going, man?
Just you passed him, man. You idiot.
Oh, Frankie boy, hold on. You come down up on the fly deck with me. We can't back it up from down here. Come on. Up here. Come on. Come on, follow me. This way. Come on.
Help! I'm here! Come back!
Get out of the fucking way. I can't see a goddamn thing.
Over there! Hey! You missed me over here! Hey! Oh!
Okay. You see that? You see that light right there?
Huh? I got the light.
Okay. Now just keep the bow point straight at that light. Okay?
All right.
Manage that?
I got the light.
Okay.
Hey! Here! Come on! Over here! Help! Okay, got him! Stop it! I got him! Stop it! Hurry up! Okay. Help me!
You got him?
Help me!
I got him here. Take the wheel on the fly deck. We'll start the turn. I got him.
Okay.
I got him. Tony, grab a rail.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
No. You tell me how it feels. With the fucking eels and the fucking crabs coming out of your fucking eyes.
What the f*** you doing? No!
Now drown. You're getting
Get the f*** off!
Come on.
Oh,
Help me get.
You killed us, Dave. You killed us. Oh, God.
Come on, Frankie.
Oh, excuse me. Frank, your daddy's waiting for you, Frank.
Come on. Well, take an end for Christ's sake. We're falling out of position. Okay, Frank, we're gonna stand you up and say goodnight. Okay, get him on the other side. 1, 2, 3.
There's a line you cross you don't never come back from. Point of no return. Dave crossed it. I'm here with him. That means I'm going along for the ride, the whole ride, all the way to the end of the line, wherever that is.